What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've been out here in the backyard making this really cool Monster Jam course for the kids and myself. But totally worth it. They're gonna love it. Now we're gonna show them the surprise. Let's see. All right, time to show them. All right, are you guys ready to see the Monster Jam course?
Yeah!
Let's do it, come on.
Yeah! Oh my gosh!
You ready to play in the mud?
Yeah!
What about you, Bryson? You ready to play in the mud?
Water!
Water! Yes, there's a water pit. All right, let me show you how it's done.
Oh, so cool. Get a big monster truck. Want to try Scooby-Doo or?
This one over here. Shortcut. Shortcut. Why are these trucks all the way over here? Away drive. Away.
Smash them.
Oh. I think you can run over these cars right here. Whoa! Come on, keep going all the way to the end of the course. Whoa! Huge air! That was crazy! Oh, going in the tunnel. Let's see. Oh, I see it! I see it! Cool! That's so cool! That's a dirt tunnel. Underground! Monster truck dirt tunnel. Whoa! See if you can make it over the rocks. It's pretty challenging, but you got a pretty big monster truck.
Awesome! Now the sticks leading up to the mud puddle jump. Nice! Awesome!
Hey, now you got my wheels back.
Whoa!
Hi, my name is Alakshita. I'm about to use this obstacle course.
All right, let's do it. Nice. Ultimate smashage.
Whoa.
Coming up to the next jump. Nice. Whoa.
You got a muddy truck.
Going in the tunnel.
Hi.
There he is.
I'm gonna make a shortcut.
So we're making mud.
Oh, muddy puddle.
Mud soup.
Woo.
Where is the obstacle?
What is it, Bryson?
Water?
Water?
Where is my work? Oh, there it is. Now I can just drive over there and do the obstacle course. Hi. Wait, why is the truck there? Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to run over it. I jump. Vroom. Ah. Vroom.
Nice. and you need some dirt?
Yes.
Lucky for you, this is the dirt station.
Cool.
Hey! Come here, guys. There you go. Nice. Scoot forward, let me get you some more.
Extra muddy.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Hang on, let's dig some of this mud out.
Yeah.
Get it out. Alright, let's find a bucket. Maybe we can get some water in here.
I'll make a shortcut.
A shortcut to the mud pit.
Yes.
Whoa! What in the world? Are you crazy?
We got lots of mud. We're trying to fill the pit, Bryson. You dump it in there. Dump it in there. Dump it.
Whoa! Mud! That's a cool shortcut.
We just got mud. Gotcha.
Oh!
Need some water?
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mom.
There's dirt in my face. Let me take your shoes off.
Huh?
Let me take my shoes off.
We definitely don't have our toes in the sand, but it's mud.
Toes in the mud.
Come on, Mom.
Which one am I?
You can be...
There's one.
That one.
I can be this one?
Yes.
I'll be Scooby-Doo!
I'll be this
To
one.
school.
Watch this.
I'll be this one because on the
we
top
can
it has
match.
choke on.
Cool, come on guys. Let's smash these cars together.
Scooby-Doo car? Scooby-Doo car.
What?
We gotta go over there like Mom.
Oh, this is the starting line.
Scooby-Doo. Can't nothing stop him.
You gotta get up here. Oh, Daddy's coming too.
Come on, Daddy.
In the Scooby-Doo. Hey, you're not in the gate.
Oh, sorry.
Hi.
Go!
Mom, Dad, where am I gonna go?
Get in there.
I'm coming.
Splash in the mud.
Scooby's stuck.
I'll help you.
Scooby's stuck. Push it.
Oh no! I think the motor's getting too hot. It's gonna catch on fire. So we better call the fire truck. Good thing they have a fire truck here.
In the mud.
Open the ladder. Open the ladder.
We have no more water.
Put the fire out.
Let's get him to the
It's on
side.
fire.
He flipped over.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
All right.
Ready?
Come on, you guys. We gotta finish the course.
Can we go through the hole? Is it open? Is it open?
Probably not.
Oh, man. Let's go. Scooby's lost.
Here he is.
His motor burnt out.
Oh,
Ready to go over the rock field?
yes. I made a new rock over here today. Hey.
Oh, Kuma! Over the rocks.
I'm going on my shortcut there, Bill.
You got a shortcut.
Right here.
Okay, I'm coming.
See? Mud.
Ready? Here I come.
Yeah.
Here I come.
Wow. Take it back.
Truck wash. Are they clean?
Yes. You can use them today. So you can use them again.
Ah! Whoa! What are you doing?
Filling up the mud hut.
The mud pud. That is so muddy. That is a lot of mud. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Hey, can you tell us how to make mud?
Yes.
How do you do it?
You just get mud and then squirt it, and that's how you make mud.
You get mud and squirt it? Where do you get mud from?
Here.
Wait a minute, that's dirt.
Yeah, because if you wet it, it comes to mud.
Oh, so you wet the dirt and it turns into mud? Is that how you make mud?
Yeah.
All right. Woo! Mud!
Shortcut to the mud. When's inside? When's inside?
You're in a pool.
Are you
You're
swimming?
In a mud pool.
Are you swimming?
Yeah.
I guess so. Briley, did you know that some people take mud baths?
Ew.
Is that weird?
Yeah.
Usually people take a
It's
bath.
supposed to be good for your skin.
Yeah. Usually people take a bath to get the mud off, but some people take a bath in the mud. What do you think about that?
I think it's just a bucket pit.
A bulldozer? Are you a bulldozer?
No. I'm
Bryson
coming.
bulldozer.
I'm coming. Coming, Dad, Mommy.
Let me get this ramp up to this hill.
Okay. Now you ready?
Almost.
Wait. Where's the bucket? It's on the other side. Thank you, Dad. I need this. Sorry, thank you, Dad.
Give you some water.
You're welcome.
Hey, fill her up.
Fill that. There you go.
Thank you. Is that a truck?
That's
Monster truck. Say Monster Jam.
I said that. I said that. I
Woo!
said that.
Monster truck.
Give you some more water for the mud pool.
I can dump it, can I?
Okay, go dump it. Oh, it's extra full now.
Nice.
It's ready for the truck.
Okay.
That's some serious smashing.
Whoa.
My turn to
Let me hear your car sound effects. Let me hear the engine. Whoa, that's way up there. So cool.
down into the underground tunnel.
Hi. It's raining. It's pouring.
Making sure the course is still nice and muddy.
Gotta keep the course muddy. Keep the course muddy. Gotta water the mud. Gotta water the mud. Look at that.
Mom, watch this.
Whoa! Look at that tree.
You just ran over a whole Christmas tree. Whoa!
Take it back.
Get the driver out of there, hurry!
No.
Hurry, save him.
No.
Oh, you're mean.
Nobody's in there. Look in the window.
Oh, that's a relief. Whoa! Smash!
What if I made him submit to?
Oh no.
Nice.
Oh,
Some bumps. I think it's a little too big for the pool.
yeah.
That's a wrap. All right, guys, we just got all cleaned up, took showers, looking and smelling fresh, and we really hoped you liked our video.
Yes.
And tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.